nature, to adventure, to discover and conquer the wilderness. His name is Nighthawk Outdoors.
Very good morning. It is Thursday, the 28th of December. It's around about 10:30 in the morning. Just getting the stuff together. Myself, Dingo and Al are going on a wild camp once again. Just getting some food prep sorted, dead easy. I had a takeaway last night from the local Chinese. Really nice stuff. Beef, green pepper, black bean sauce and egg fried rice, which is here, which is going into here. Sorted. Yumster. So that, along with some bacon and some mushrooms, is going to be campfire tea tonight. Well, just en route, set off. It's about 10 to 12 midday. Just about to meet up with Al and Dingo. We're going to hit Tesco's, get some beer, and then we'll be on our way up to Freshfields Beach. So I'll check back in with you later. Just getting over a cold at the moment, so I don't know whether this is the wisest move I've ever done in my life, considering I've been ill for 2 weeks all over Christmas, but you only live once, and that's why we're getting out and about. Talk to me, Johnny.
Dragonfly has arrived. You think about the cider.
Oh.
Special reserve, sir.
Set up for the day. So here we are, got the cars parked. We've just arrived at Freshfields. There's Al, there's Dingo with his carrying his weekly shop.
That's it, going cropper.
As always. Right, let's hit the trail.
He's got the minigun.
So after about a 3 mile tab, we found this little place. which is ideal really. Al and Smig have just got the kit off, just about to start setting up the hammocks. I'm in a tarp, so this is my spot. It's a nice little gully, just dips in there, nice and secluded. Got the sand dunes over that way, with the sea just the other side of the sand dunes. So hopefully tonight, when it's nice and peaceful, we should be able to hear the waves. In fact, I can hear them in the distance right now. But my tarp's going there. I'm going to flatten all that down, get rid of any sticks, stones, any sharp bits, get a tarp base down, and then tarp over the top. Dead simple A-frame, pegged down at the back with an opening at the front, either using a stick to elevate it or using the poles I've brought. So I'm going to do a time lapse on the setup in a minute. Moving over ever so slightly, I'm probably going to pitch down somewhere, maybe on top of that hill, as long as it's flat, or down in this gully bit. A bit more exposed. Hey boys and girls, we've changed to where we're going to pitch up. It's just over there where I showed you before, but it's a bit better over here. It's flatter in the centre. Dingo's putting his hammock up between these two big trees. Al, if you can see that, it's just over here. So there's about an hour and a half left of light now. The sand dunes are just that way with the sea, which you can probably hear in the background, or you will be able to later. Can't really be bothered to set my tarp up yet, to be honest. Probably leave it another half an hour and then I'll get mine set up, but mine's going on the flat bit in the middle. So I'll bring you back when that's sorted, and then we're going to get all cozied up, get some wood sorted for the fire. Looks like it needs to be a bit tighter than that, Dingo.
Yeah, have to adjust.
Just going to take you out, have a walk up to the dunes, so you can, well, there's the sea. I don't know whether you can see that. That is the sea, right there. Can't really see it that clearly because it's a bit grey in the sky, and the kind of the sea colours matching the sky colour at the moment. But there we go, the sun's catching the sea a bit there. You can see a ship off in the distance. So, rather a nice spot, I would say. Pine cones everywhere, fucking unbelievable.
you give it a cry. Say living or die. Oh, say living or die. Woo, say living or die.
That's a tarp setup.
When you got a job to do, you got to do it well.
It's actually going dark now. It's quite dim and it looks much brighter on the screen right now. If I just drop this, you can hardly even see the tarps under there. If I give it a bit of brightness, it starts to just come into view, but you're just not going to see them in the next 15-20 minutes. So there's the tarps. You can just about see the guy line from Dingo's setup. As I said, you can't even see it now. It's in the shadow. There's Al. So let me zoom out a bit. It gets just a little bit grainy. But yeah, you can't even see them there. That's us. And there is the sea. Ladies and gents. There's the sea. Not a bad spot. There it is, ladies and gents. Yes, I was actually in the paratroop regiment. It's always nice to dig out the old hat. And, you know, special forces and all that. Nah, it's just a joke. It just suits me, so I just put it on for a laugh. Sergeant Adams, reporting for duty, sir. It's the Nordic Viking.
You got them all there.
The camping Viking. Sergeant Adams and Al blending into the background. Getting the fire going in a minute. So, it's going dark quite fast. You really can't see it on the camera. It looks like it's broad daylight still, but once you focus on that, you can see how dark it's getting. So, got this new headlamp. It was from Tesco's, £6.50, and I'm telling you now, it is bright. Just going to let it go a bit darker to show you what it's like. But we're just chilling out now. Everything's set up. Nice kind of cider in hand. Delicious. So I'm actually using the light from the head torch here now, and as you can see, it's really illuminating everything in the dark. I mean, that's just for £6.50 and 3 batteries. There's Al. What was that? Yeah. So there's my tarp, Al's tarp with his. Let's have a look in here. Oh, cider, nice. So there he is, hammock set up inside his tarp. Very nice indeed. That's me, sleeping on the floor with the spiders and the worms. God, these torches are brilliant. And that's Dingo, getting very, very cosy with his night lights and just having a glimpse inside. That's his hammock. So we're all good. Fire prep next, and then it's chill time and some food. Yes, it's officially getting dark. Can't even see anything. Let's stick my head torch on. There we go. There's the boys. Gonna get the fire going on the base of the tree, and you can just about make out the camp with a lovely pink sky through the canopy. It's time for the beasties to come out and play. Smoked out in Camp Freshfields, but there is our little beauty. It's taken us about an hour to get going. All of the wood is wet, so we've given it a lot of clearance, put a load of wood around the edge and built it up high to give the wood a chance to dry off. But that is doing a lovely job, and we're going to be getting some food on very shortly. Can you still see the canopy above? Yes, you can. Look at that. Oh, that's lovely. There it is, ladies and gents. That is the dusk through the forest. Dingo.
Oh, it's cooking. Be cooking with wood in a minute.
Mushroom rice and chili con carne.
I opted for the hot.
And Al.
Noodles and curry. With chicken.
And no, I can't see anybody eating that food because he blends into the background. Does look good though. Yeah, I'm going to get mine on in a bit. It's beef and green pepper, black bean sauce with some egg fried rice. I'm going to chop up and fry some bacon and chop up and fry some mushrooms as well. So it's going to be a feast, and it's all sat over there. Any good, Dingo?
It's cold, but it's hot, spicy hot.
Well, that's seriously going now. Considering we've got damp wood, that is whoa, drying out nicely. But check out the sun breaking through them trees there. I mean, that's just beautiful. Let's just see if we can get the light a bit better on it. Oh, it's really dim. It looks much brighter than that. You can just about see it. Try and zoom in again. I don't know how many of these shots I'm going to use, but look at that. That is just, it's not even spooky, it's just majestic. Now that, ladies and gentlemen, is what you call a damp wood gone dry fire cooking on gas. And we've still got the light in the distance. That is just quality. That is a beast of fire. It's all good down at Freshfields near Formby Point, and when that fire dies off, we're just going to have the relaxing sound of the waves crashing on the shore to drift off to sleep to, after a bottle of whiskers. Well, the beef, green pepper, black bean sauce combo is in the pan and cooking up nicely. Jesus Christ, that fire is hot. That is hot. But you know what? We've got it so cosy here. Dingo, enjoying the pints, but then check the ambience out of the red lights hanging from the trees with the light coming through the trees. Well, that's the beef and green pepper black bean sauce ready. Look at the embers there. This is absolutely roaring. That is gonna be yum. Chin chin. Oh, fuck me, that's good. Oh, you're joking. Tell me it's not turning itself off, it has.
Is it right? That's battery saver shit.
Can't have done that, it's 15%, I had 15%. So it's getting on, it's quite late now. It's around about 12:30 AM. Time to get in the tent and chill out. Here we are. Oh, this looks cosy. This is cosy. That's the view of the fire from the tent. Chilling now. Time to get my head down. But thanks for coming along for the ride. It's been really nice. And see you in the morning. bit worse for wear. So peace. See you in the morning. Thanks. See you tomorrow.